Alright, this time we're going to cover questions 3 to 6. So let's go ahead and take a look at questions 3 to 6. We're going to start off by stating the distributive property can be used to multiply any polynomial by another. Multiply each term in the first polynomial by each term in the second polynomial. And they show us an example of such. 3a, determine the product. We're going to do x times x and then x times 5. Well, x times x is x squared. X times 5 is 5x. So we're just going to say x squared plus 5x. Here, we're going to take x times x, x times 6. So we have x squared plus 6x. Now we're going to do the second term. Negative 3 times x and negative 3 times positive 6. So it's going to be negative 3x and negative 18. All right. Let's take a look. All right. So there is one last thing I need to do with that example B or question B. We need to combine like terms. So we have x squared plus 3x minus 18. All right, let's take a look at C. C is going to say 3x cubed minus x squared minus x. Here we're going to have plus 21x squared minus 7x minus 7. I do need to combine like terms here. So we're going to have 3x cubed plus 20x squared. Then we've got negative 8x minus 7. Last one. I've got 12x cubed plus 12x squared minus 9x. Here in the second one, we have negative 28x squared, negative 28x, and then positive 21. We're going to go ahead and combine our like terms. So we've got 12x cubed. We've got 12x squared and negative 28x squared. So it's going to be negative 16x to the second power. We've got negative 9x and negative 28x. That makes negative 37x. And then we got plus 21. 4. How can you predict the number of terms the product will have before you combine like terms? It is the product of the number of terms in the first polynomial of terms in, I should put each polynomial. So if you go back and look at it, here we had a 1 times 2, so that was 2. Here we had 2 and 2, so that was 4. Here we had a 2 and a 3, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we had a 2 and a 3, so that was again 6 before I combined my like terms. Let's take a look at 5 and 6. Are all the answers in items 5 polynomials, and justify your responses? Yes. The expressions are sums of terms with whole number powers. Okay, let's take a look at number 6. Explain why the product of two polynomials will always be a polynomial. When you multiply polynomials you add the exponents of terms with the same base. Because adding two whole numbers gives a whole number, the terms in the product will have whole number powers. Thus, making it a polynomial. Go ahead and finish writing your answers down for questions 3 through 6. There will not be a debriefing on this section, and we'll move right into the last section. Go ahead and take a moment to copy all of the information down.